What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ray. Got another update for the Super Duty fans out there. Guys, if you've been following my channel, you know I own a 2020 Super Duty Tremor. Enjoyed that truck. Not too happy with the gas prices, what's going on today, but it is what it is. Guys, what I'm going to be doing now for this new update, and you notice the title, I'm adding an extra battery into my Super Duty. This box right here. Guys, a little advice to those who researching this type of truck. Get the extra battery. When I bought my truck, I didn't think I would need it. I kind of wish I ordered it. It would give you an extra battery and I believe another alternator. Right now, I'm just going to put an extra battery in it. This is the foundation. Need a tray. We're going to have to move the cooling, what have you. It is what it is. So I'm going to show you, if you're looking to put an extra battery into your Super Duty and you didn't order it from factory, this is how you do it. We're going to do a little open box and we're going to look at it. I ended up picking this up on a gentleman on eBay. Not too sure. Kind of expensive because he marks it up because he's doing all the lead work. Let's take a look at the box. Let's see what he's giving me. And again, if I can figure out the parts and stuff, I'll put a detailed list of all the parts I'm using. If you want to go through eBay and utilize this service, all right, one-stop shop. If it's for you, then do it. If it's not, I'll put a detailed list of the parts. Again, all my parts and everything I've done to my truck, there will be links below. Those links will be affiliate. It does support this channel, and I greatly appreciate it if you use those links. So again, enough of me talking. Let's open this box and see what I got. I hope it was worth it, because damn, this damn thing was expensive. I think he had a $125 markup because of the labor and the shipping. It is what it is, guys. So enough of me talking. Let's get into the box. Part one of this video is simply going to be an open box. We're going to see the parts, go through it, and part two of this, I'll take you out to the truck and show you exactly how to install it. So again, consider like, subscribe, and let's just get moving. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm opening the box now. I received it about a week ago, so I'm just opening it now. So we're gonna take a look at it, see what we got. All right, puts a lot up. Now, one thing I noticed here, and I don't know, the guy just trying to save on packing material, but he throws a lot of garbage in here. A lot of empty boxes. I'm hoping he's just throwing this up because he's wanting to fill it up so it's not a lot of rattling. But yeah, I don't know, dude. Bunch of, yeah, I don't know. This is okay. Don't look how this looking. So stand by. Let me go get a garbage bag, because this guy's giving me a bunch of filler for I don't know what reason. So stand by. All right. All right. I don't understand why this guy has to send me all his garbage. Right. Bunch of nothing but, what is all this crap this guy is selling me? Jesus Christ. And when I first reached out to this guy to buy it, I don't know. He seemed like he was kind of annoyed when I reached out to him to see if he was shipping my stuff. But then he said he's sending it out. All right. Again, I see the holes. He throws a lot of garbage if he can fill it up. Again, I appreciate him wanting to take care of it. But, dude, I don't need your garbage. I don't need the filler. You know, it's not that serious. It's rubber pieces. Wrap up the plastic and that'll be good. So that's That's a that's God. I don't need it. I don't know. I guess you figured you're doing me a favor, I guess. You know, he's filling it up. He doesn't want it to slide around. I got it, but dude, invest in a few, you spend enough for shipping. Get some bubble wrap. I don't think you're throwing your garbage in here. It's a good look. So again, if you're gonna order this, expect to get a lot of garbage, all right, in your thing. Like, what is this? I don't know. All right. So that's -1. All right. So what else we got here? All right. All right. Got the. I know they had to send you another hose cable because you have to reroute some stuff. So this is one. Damn. All right. Again. All right. All right. Don't. Once you get past all the filler garbage stuff he sent, or the filler, I want to call it, but it is trash. You'll get to what you need to get to. And again, I understand he's trying to pack it up so it's not sliding. And I guess this is the cheapest way he can do it without spending extra material for packing material. But I don't know how much bubble material can really cost, dude. Okay. Put this aside. Put this aside. Yeah, you do a lot of. Yeah, just a lot of old garbage he sent. So, all right, this is all the trash, all the filler that he sent with that. So I'm gonna put that over here. I'm gonna put this over here. I'll put this over here. So, all right, so that's all the trash. All right, I don't know. I don't know what to say, guys. I never saw anything like that. You know, I know the guys, I guess he's a small business guy, makes some extra money. I don't know. I'm not gonna judge him. All right, I'll judge him by the parts he's sending me. So, look what we got here. We got the hose that we're gonna need. I just wanna look it over. Looks like it's factory. All right, so we got that. We have the new tank along with the battery tray. He also gives you the leads to hook up the additional battery. Now, this doesn't come with the battery, guys. You have to get another battery. This is just a foundation that I'm gonna have to install. All right, so good heavy gauge wire to connect to the other battery. We have a tie down for the battery I'm gonna get. We have the blanket. All right, and this is it. Can we piecemeal this out ourselves? I'm pretty sure we can. But again, I didn't want to take time trying to figure out all the part numbers and what have you. This guy already did all the work, so I just took advantage of his knowledge and getting this done. So this is what we have. All right, what I'll do, I'll figure out the part numbers. I'll put a detail list if I can find it for you guys out there. And you don't want to pay the extra tax to this gentleman, you know, that's up to you. I'll put the parts plus his link if you want to use it. All right, if you have the time and you want to look for the parts yourself. All right, so that's what we got. Got a heat shield, bracket, the cable for your extra battery, and got something else here. Let's see, what do we have here? Let's pop this open. Okay, he's giving you directions. So that's a good look. I like that. What else will you have here? It gives you all the tie downs. Got some connectors. What else we have here? Okay, and this is for the negative wire. So, all right. So that's what we get, guys. I don't know what else to tell you. All right, I took a chance on this gentleman. I'm hoping I didn't waste my money on this, or still have to figure it out. But I know some parts I'm gonna have to reuse. So that's it. That's what we have. Stay with me. I'll let you know how this works out. And we're gonna go out to the truck once I'm done to see how this stuff all pans out. So consider like, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you on part 2 of this installation. All right, guys, before we sign off, I just wanted to pause and give you guys a closer look of this kit I bought. All right, this is the replacement hose on running your coolant. Looks solid. Looks like it's OEM. I'll try to get some part numbers for you guys. Again, if you're looking to save some time, again, I'll put this guy's link. The only thing I didn't like about it, he gave me too much filler garbage. That's really I didn't need. But again, I understand he wants to ship it so it comes intact, and so I kind of understand that. All right, just want to give you a closer look. They send you the blanket for the extra battery. That's what that is. The extra battery clamp. Now, again, send the extra wire to run from the extra battery to the other battery. All right, hold on, guys. I just want to put this to the side. Again, I want to just give it a little close up. If you're doing research, you're trying to figure out, should you do it? I'm sure you have found the same seller. Look like it's a homemade cable, which is no problem. It's thick. Has it wrapped around, protected, so that's a good look. All right. And initially, I thought this black one was too short, but looking at his website, or looking at his pictures, this just goes to ground. So it goes right to ground when you put the extra battery in. So that's fine. All right. Sent me some extra. Well, I'm gonna need these here, these screws, what have you. All right. He just put that in the Ziploc. He did added some zip ties. All right. Which bag is open, so I guess he buys by bulk. Again, does send the direction how to get it done, which is greatly appreciative. All right, and again, I'm installing 2020, so this installation is for 2017 to 21 second battery tray installation. All right, so I have that and the tray along with the fluid reservoir. All right, so that's what we have. I just want to give you guys a much closer look at it. What I'll do, I will pick this up in the next video on me getting it installed. All right. Okay, guys, that's the parts. All right. So tell me, did I make a bad mistake in trying to buy one kit and not do it myself? I don't know. All right. I took a chance on buying this kit. It is expensive. All right. He marked it up, and I understand he's doing all the work. He's getting all the parts for me. I understand. Don't mind paying somebody for doing that. Again, the only thing I don't like, I wish he could have done a lot better, is man, you don't need to send me all your garbage. All right, you really don't. All right, I understand you're using it as filler. Yeah, all right, I got that, but just use the plastic bubble, stuff that in. All right, don't send them all the other garbage. I mean, why? All right, whatever. All right, I didn't buy it for the garbage, of course. Not bought it for the parts. It did come back, get here intact. So yeah. So guys, I don't know what to say. All right, I don't know what to say. But again, we're gonna take this out to the truck. I'm still waiting for the weather to cooperate. It's still dropping down in temperature. I don't have an inside garage, and I'm not freezing my nuts off. All right, so hopefully we start getting up in the 50s and 60s. And once that temperature start going up, we'll pick this up and I'll show you guys how to install it. So please, again, consider like, subscribe. And again, I'm going to say, I'll try to figure out the part numbers, what have you. If you don't want to pay the tax to the eBay guy, I'll put a link of that I can figure out what all the parts are, and you can do it for yourself. Again, this is going into a 2020 Ford Super Duty. All right, so it's for that parts. If you're doing it for a diesel, I believe it's a different part. So this is only for the gas engine, the Godzilla engine. So again, thank you for joining me. Like, subscribe, check out the affiliate links all below. Any question, any comments, any concerns, hit me off. I'll get back to you. Guys, talk to you later.